This is the crossing to Cathedral Valley that we went to, going from the other direction. It says, sign says, the majority of cars cannot make this crossing. So we didn't choose to do this. And I'm glad. This is something rare in the desert. Water. There's water running here. Wow. Isn't this incredibly gorgeous? So beautiful. This is Cathedral Valley. Isn't it incredibly gorgeous? The clouds, the plants, everything. That is Temple of the Sun. This is Temple of the Moon. And for scale, you can see our truck. This is such an incredible place. There's absolute silence. Keith and I are the only ones here. There's no one else here on this Monday in late August. Simply stunning.